Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving ownership. This is essential. Gather the invoice, SIM details, and the Vivo ID email or phone connected to the device. Once ready, enable Wi-Fi or insert the registered SIM so the phone can contact Vivo servers. Make sure the battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. These steps prevent delays when you request official recovery. If you don't have original proof, prepare secondary verification like backup codes or trusted contacts. Next, use Vivo's official recovery flow. Go to Settings, then Accounts, and tap Vivo Account Recovery or visit the Vivo support portal from another device. Choose Forgot Password and pick a verification method, email, SMS to the registered number, or security questions. Enter codes exactly as received, and once verified, set a strong new password. Make sure to save backup codes in a secure place. If the automatic flow fails, prepare to contact customer support with your ownership documents ready. Finally, reset the password and sign back into your Vivo account, then enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. If verification fails, call Vivo support and provide the IMEI, purchase receipt, and a government ID. This proves ownership and triggers manual recovery. Do not follow third-party bypass methods. They risk data loss and legal issues. If support recommends a factory reset, confirm they've validated ownership first, because resetting will erase data and should be a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.